unbelievable. It thing is sliding. Yeah. It is solid ice, isn't it? Solid ice. Right. Nice. Yeah, you fell and bashed your head, didn't you? I saw you bit it right here. I was watching you. I saw it. Solid ice. Go ahead. Slide center now. Is it pretty cool? Is that unbelievable, guys? It's all ice. Let's see you run inside again. Run inside again. Teddy, no, go ahead. Get on this way. Try when you come up the hill. Okay, go. Just slide. Start sliding. Can you make it up the hill, Teddy? Teddy? Go, Teddy. Is it awesome? Is it cold? Be careful. Be careful, Teddy. Be careful, Teddy. Come on, Noel, this way. Slide down one more time. Okay. Try it. Can you stand up all the way down? Okay, don't do this. Just kneel down on your feet and see if you can slide down on your feet. Okay, then just come on down. Let's go. Let's go. Don't hurt your butt. Don't hurt your butt, Nolan. Be careful. Be careful. Stand up at the top and see if you can slide down. That was pretty cool. Is it solid ice? Okay, here goes Teddy. Go ahead, Teddy. Be careful. Okay, be careful. Don't worry. Be careful over the icicles. Hey, guys. Run and slide. Run and stop and slide, Nolan. Run and slide. Can you run and slide? Run and slide. Out it. Run and slide. It's all ice, isn't it, man? It's unbelievable. Solid sheet. Oh, be careful, Nolan. Come on. Let's go. Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt, girls. Don't get hurt. Solid sheet of ice.